Hello, Ultimate Love fans. You're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Please, if this is your first time of viewing this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drop. Okay, still on the Ultimate Love update. Ultimate Love JayKech melt hearts with their endearing close-up shots. Nigerian Ultimate Love reality TV star Jonathan Benson and Nkechi Agba, better known as JayKech, have taken a moment to endearingly melt so many hearts as they spice up their social media pages with absolutely awesome photo of them. Since they check out or were evicted from the reality show, the Ultimate Love couple have stayed together proud to the time they find each other on the altar, and it has been going well with them, at least looking at these activities they make visible on social media. However, we came across a heartwarming post by Jay to his lover Nkechi, and it feels so encouraging and beautiful to share with our readers. In a brief epistle, Jay described how his life and that of Nkechi have been in the wake of so many imperfections which oftentimes make them feel perfect. Their daily lives are filled with lessons and they are proud of who they are becoming together. We wish them well. Check out Jay's post. He said, "Perfection was created to make us feel imperfect, but imperfect, of course, is the best thing to be. We spend every hour, every day of every week trying to be different, trying to be unique. Our nature is to search for answers to life's questions, concepts we don't understand. Like, what is perfection? You strive to be perfect, a term you don't understand. You should be yourself before you self-destruct. Surely happiness is of priority over a world like perfection. So ask yourself this: who looks back in your reflection?" Wow. That was the post Jay shared on his Instagram account. Also, sharing a photo he took with Nkechi. We are happy their love is still strong and they are going stronger, and we're waiting for Jay to pop the question. Alright, moving on the Ultimate Love updates. Ultimate Love couple Bolanle and Arnold stun in new photo. Ultimate Love contestants Bolanle and Arnold are looking so good in new photos. Known as Beulah, the couple look so good together as they took pictures wearing a suit and a red dress. Bolanle and Arnold are one of the couple from the reality show that has kept the fire of their love burning since the show came to an end. It appears that the couple are so in love and they have plans to spend their future together. It is either they are posting a video or they are posting a photo. The couple have also featured on live sessions with other housemates like Ike and Teresa. These two are so happy together. It appears that the show has brought them together for good and their love is here to stay. The way they keep uploading new photos, one would not even know when they will upload their pre-wedding photo. Guys, you need to check out this photo from Bolanle and Arnold. They look so good together. Alright guys, moving on Ultimate Love update. Ultimate Love winner Rosie has caused commotion on social media as Ike and fans react to stunning photo she shared. Messi said, "You are beautiful in and out." Wow. Okay guys, Ultimate Love reality show season 1 co-winner Rosie Afuape, better known as Rosie, has shared beautiful pictures of herself that dragged a lot of attention from fans and celebrities. Rosie took to her social media account via Instagram to share the lovely pictures of herself that attracted a lot of sweet praises from her fans and celebrities like her ex-colleagues of the Ultimate Love show and the popular Ike, winner of Big Brother Naija 2019 edition. Rosie accompanied the lovely image with a nice caption. She wrote, "In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on, when you blame eternal circumstances, you're effectively giving your personal power away. The key is life is not what happens to you, but how you react when it happens to you." Recall that Rosie partner Nkechi, couple named Rosie, and she got engaged on the spot. However, the date for their wedding is yet to be communicated to fans. Yeah, so this is the picture Rosie uploaded, and this is Mercy Ike's comment on her picture. She said, "You're beautiful in and out." Wow. Mercy responded by saying, "Thank you, Queen Lambo. I love you so much." Chris Ada also commented saying, "Beautiful," with the love emoji. Okay, and okay, that's all for now. Alright, I think Rosie is getting more beautiful by the day. What do you think, guys? Please let us know in the comment section. Alright, still on the Ultimate Love updates. Today is Meriton and Jennykoko's birthday. Yeah, you heard it first. Yeah, today is a birthday, and Meriton was the first person to celebrate herself and jennykoko today. She said, "Happy birthday to us." Meriton celebrates herself and Jenny as they are a year older today. Ultimate Love reality TV show star Mercy Eton, better known as Meriton, has taken to her social media platform to celebrate herself and her Ultimate Love colleague jennykoko as they mark a year older today. Meriton, who is a fashion enthusiast, economist, model, took to her Instagram account to share a pics mix of herself and Jenny, revealing and thanking God for making them celebrate another birthday. She wrote, "All we have to say is thank you, Lord. Happy birthday to us." Recalled that Meriton was paired with Jerry in the Ultimate Love show with the couple named Meriton. They were the second couple to get evicted from the show, while jennykoko was paired with Louis and were called Jello. They were evicted right after Meriton becoming the third couple to leave the show. Both couples were evicted due to low numbers of votes from the voting public. However, they went home with cash prizes amounting to 600k and 100k respectively, with nice gifts. Okay, taking to our comment section to celebrate the Ultimate Love housemates. One comment caught us here. Jerry Mudiaga didn't comment on Meriton's birthday message. He didn't say anything, and they were paired in the house, so it's expected that he should at least celebrate her on her day. But there's no comments here from Jerry. All we see are comments from Chrisa, from Bolanle and Arnold, wishing her the best and congratulating her. So moving on to jennikoko's Instagram page, we saw Jerry's comments under jennikoko's page. Recall today is Meriton and jennikoko's birthday, but we've not seen any message from Jerry celebrating Meriton. Okay, remember jennykoko from Ultimate Love? 6 stunning photos she shared today to celebrate her birthday. Recall jennykoko was one of the contestants who put in the first season of Ultimate Love reality show. During the just concluded show, jennykoko was paired with Louis Ejiofor, and together they were known as Jello. She is young at heart and full of joy. 26-year-old jennykoko is not short on love for herself and is particularly in love with her height as well as her penchant for kindness. The fabric trader from Rivers State considers respect the most important aspect of a relationship and totally believes in love at first sight. jennykoko once revealed an interesting secret as she previously received a marriage proposal from a suitor, but her father declined after realizing the man was way too old for her in his opinion. Taken to her Instagram account today, May 13, 2020, jennykoko posted stunning pictures of herself as she celebrated her birthday. jennykoko looked refined in the pictures as other love guests and fans couldn't stop themselves from tripping. These are the photos she uploaded. Captioning the photos, jennykoko wrote, "On this day, many years ago, one of the greatest beings to ever exist on planet Earth was born. I am elated to be alive today, and indeed, today is worth celebrating. It is beyond explanation how this wonderful journey of life has been. My life has been a constant process of growth. It is surprising that I am a year beautiful and wiser. As today presents a fresh face of life, a new stage of excellence, and a clean opportunity for growth, I hope to inspire people and to fully exploit my potential. Happy birthday to me and all glory to God. That was Jennykoko's post on her Instagram page. Ex love Ex ultimate love housemates like Rosie, JayKech and Arnold, and especially Jerry Mudiaga, have reacted to her post on Instagram celebrating her and wishing her the best as she turns a year older. JayKech said happy birthday Jennykoko, more life, more blessings. Jerry Mudiaga said happy birthday darling. And official Rosie said, "Happy birthday, Jennykoko, and wishing you all that you wish yourself. Have fun because it's your day. Happy birthday." Ebitenye also said, "Ogbeni, happy birthday, Koko. God bless and grace you with long, useful life and sound health." Henry Arnold also said, "Happy birthday. May God grant your heart desire today. Now your day, do shakara." Okay, if you notice, you see Jerry's comments here. Jerry commented on Jennykoko's birthday post, but he didn't comment on Meriton birthday post. Does that suggest something? Okay, if you think so, please let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, happy birthday to Jennykoko and Meriton. Wishing you guys the best life have to offer. If you're a true fan, please drop your birthday wishes for Jennykoko and Meriton in the comment section below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this compilation. Please stay tuned to Nigerian news and entertainment for more updates from your favorite ultimate love couples. Alright, until next time, take care.